Namaste students, myself Dr. Kundan Meshram, Assistant Professor, Department of Akatantra एवं विधि वैद्य का ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. Students, we already completed the topics of vegetable poison and agriculture poison in last few lectures. In today's lecture, we will start the vegetable poison. The first vegetable poison is Arka, which is also called as Calotropis. Arka, it is the plant of Navagraha Vatika, where it is represent the planet Sun. It is to be said one who plant calotropis in front of his house get name, fame, and property. These are of two common species of calotropis, which are Calotropis gigantea, which is also called as Shvetarka, and another species of Arka is Calotropis procera, which is also called as Raktarka. Both the species are used as substitute for one another and are said to have similar effects. Calotropis procera is more widely distributed and hence being commonly used and known as Arka or Mother. Then the Sanskrit synonyms. Shvetarka, also known as Ganarupa, which is the name of gregarious, and then Rupika means a well-known plant. Then Sadapushpa, that is it flower all the year. Then Arka, Balarka, Raktapushpa. Raktapushpa means the color of rising sun, which are of flower. Then Kshiraparna or Kshirakandak, that is the it having the latex in the leaves and stem. Then Shukafala, that is parrot like its fruit. Then Aspota, uh, which means the fruit burst when mature. Vikarna, which that is means the it shows the dispersal of the seeds. In botanical description, first species is Calotropis gigantea. It is the middle-sized shrub, young part covered with upraised white tomentum, bark pale, leaves subsessile. There are 4 to 8 and by about 1 to 4 inches, obovate or oblong, acute or acuminate, coriaceous, cottony beneath, and base cordate. Then the flowers down outside on long pedicel arranged in axillary or subterminal pedunculated simple or compound umbels or corymbs. Buds ovoid, corolla dull purple or white. It is of 0.5 to 1 inches in diameter, lobes ovate, lanceolate, spreading. Then seed are ovate, 0.25 inches long, with a bright silky white comma. Then flowering and fruiting throughout the year. Then another type is Calotropis procera. Here the leaves and inflorescence as of the preceding species, excepting that the leaves are more gradual, narrowed and somewhat less cottony beneath when matured, and the peduncle are rather long. Flowers purplish red, silvery outside, odorous, buds hemispherical, corolla lobes erect, then corona scales acute, nearly as broad as long, then glabrous or pubescent, then follicles 3 to 4 inches long, recovered, then parts use. Uh, all the parts of the plant, that is the root, stem, and leaves, also flower of calotropis are used in indigenous system of the medicine. The serum derived from its lattice contains an activate principle, that is gigantin, which is highly toxic. Ayurvedic classification. Charak has described only one variety of calotropis by name of Arka. Sushruta has described two varieties of name by the name of Arka and Alarka. On the basis of flower color, Bhav Prakasha also described two varieties, that is Sweta and Rakta. Then Mahendra Bhogik also described two varieties of Arka and Raja Arka. And Narhari of Rajnighantu has described four varieties by name of Arka, Rajarka, Shuklarka, and Shweta mandarka on the basis of its properties. It is considered as vegetable mercury. Then the Acharya Charaka has classified it under Bhedaniya, Shvedopag and Vamanopag Mahakashaya, while Shushruta classified it under Arka, Arka Diguna and Adhobhara Adhobhaga Hara Dravya. The specific preparations like Arkalavana, Arkatela, Arkeshwarasa, all these preparations are made by Arka. Then therapeutic and fatal dose. Therapeutic dose of root bark powder is half to 1 gram. Then for inducing emesis, it is used to as 3 to 5 grams. For latex, 1 by 8 to 1 by 4 gram. And therapeutic use of flower is for it is taken as 1 to 2 gram, while the fatal dose is uncertain. Chemistry. The flower contains ester of bicalotropiol, B-amycin, volatile, and 1 mg chain fatty acid, esters of waxy acid, and alcohol. The stem bark contains D and B-calotropiol, B-amycin, gigantiol, a colorless wax, small amount of tetracyclic terpene, and traces of sterols. A highly active proteolytic enzyme called as calotropin has been isolated in the latex. Latex is reported to contain cardiac steroid glycosides. Actually, the active principle present in the plant are eucerin, calotoxin, calotropin, and gigantin. Then toxic signs and symptoms are like local sign symptoms include it can give rise to lesion resembling the bruise on skin, called as fabricated injuries, and which at the time can lead to pustule formation and vesication. Juice can installed into the eyes or coming in the contact with the eyes can result in severe conjunctivitis. Then oral use shows the sign and symptoms like when it taken orally, it produces the bitter taste, burning pain in the throat, also salivation, nausea, and vomiting. These are followed by diarrhea, pain in abdomen, mydriasis, tetanic convulsions, delirium, collapse, and finally death. Then medico-legal importance. Root of Calotropis procera is poisonous to cobra smoke. And snake charmers use its root to scare away the snake or to subdue them. It may be used as cattle poison by mixing them with fodder or inserting a cloth smeared with the juice inside rectum of the animal. The juice is applied in the skin to produce chemical lesion to bring the false charge of assault or the enemy. The latex is sometimes used as depilatory and arrow poison. The juice is taken by mouth or introduced into the uterus on an abortion. Also, abortion stick for the criminal abortion, sometimes used for the insecticides. Okay, thank you. In next lecture, we will study the another another topic. Okay, another vegetable poison. Till then, thank you.